So today I will be reviewing a topper and I'm pretty excited because I have FFA, so Frontal Fibrosing Alopecia, where you literally just lose your hairline. So as you can see, I've got a lot of hair still, so normal toppers don't work for me. I can't use the clips, they're uncomfortable, and I just don't have any hair really at the front to blend it. So this is like, look how great this looks. So it's only a small amount of hair pretty much, which I need that. I need the front bit. This is how it looks. Like, the lace is amazing. There's silicone padding on each side, and then they've got a halo. It's an adjustable strap, so you can tighten it, loosen it however you like. The thing that is amazing about this is there is no clips. There's no clips that are gonna dig into your scalp, pull at your hair, because us FFA girlies, we just can't do that. That's just not working for us. So let's pop it on. So all you do is you just pop it on pretty much like a hat. Pull all of your hair out. And it's crazy because I actually notice how much hair I've lost with this. And then, yeah, you pop it on. You sort of want to line it up to your hairline. You can brush your hair, so just, you want it to not be caught in the topper. So yeah, that's pretty much how you put it on. It is so easy. You don't need to do clips. You don't need to, muck around at the front where you've got to make sure your hair is out so it looks a little bit realistic when you have the toppers with the clips. You don't have to worry about the clips coming off. I mean, this is really secure. It's not going anywhere. I really like it. I think for someone that has FFA, it's super hard to find a product, I guess, that suits someone that has FFA. Wigs are very bulky because we still have a lot of our natural hair. We have only lost that front section of our hair, so toppers don't work. The wigs, it just seems like a lot of excess hair that's not really needed. So this new topper is something, I guess, that we have been waiting for. We've been wanting someone to cater a topper for us, and I think that this is perfect. It's really, really good. I'm super happy with it, and I'm excited for everyone to sort of try it.